How to turn off notifications phone lid on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications phone lid on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click this three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications and go down. Here you will find push, click on it and then click this one phone lid, and as you see phone lid have been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.